Hi, my name is MJ McDermott. I'm a meteorologist in Seattle, and I've made a video on elementary math curriculum. This one's about middle school. The Connected Math Project, second edition, or CMP2, is a middle school math curriculum. It is ineffective and needs to be eliminated from our middle schools. I tutor Algebra 1 in a high school in Seattle, and I must say that the students who come to high school from middle schools that use the CMP2 are largely not ready for Algebra 1. They lack the fluent math skills necessary to tackle algebra. They are especially weak in manipulating fractions, dealing with negative numbers, exponents, or orders of operations. In fact, most of them reach for their cell phone calculators just to do simple basic math, arithmetic, like 6 times 9 or 87 plus 26. And these students need to pass end-of-course exams in algebra and geometry in order to graduate from high school in Washington State. Our students need more rigorous math curricula in middle school than the CMP2, with adequate practice problems to help make them fluent math users. The CMP2 is a babyish math curriculum that needs substantial supplementation to get students prepared to move on to high school. And this is what the curriculum looks like. Colorful, soft cover booklets for various topics like covering and surrounding, this is 6th grade, comparing and scaling, 7th grade, looking for Pythagoras, cute titles like this, filling and wrapping, moving straight ahead, and my personal favorite, here it is, kaleidoscopes, hubcaps, and mirrors. This is about symmetry and transformations, something that I would argue doesn't even need to be taught in a math class. The booklets are filled with colorful photos and cartoons, like the frequent appearance of Mr. Calculator, pictures of pizza for demonstrating fractions, and ice cream cones for representing cones and spheres, and interesting product placement, like using M&Ms for a data analysis problem. The CMP2 seems to want kids to eat junk food. The first exercise in the 6th grade is called My Special Number. It is the unit project of the Primetime book. It says, many people have a number that they think is interesting. Choose a whole number between 10 and 100 that you especially like. In your notebook, record your number, explain why you chose that number, and so on. The students keep a journal about their special number, and at the end of the unit, it says, now it is time for you to show off your special number. Write a story, compose a poem, make a poster, or find some other way to highlight your number. And remember, this is 6th grade. This is for 12-year-olds. My question when reading through the CMP2 is, where are the numbers? This is a text-heavy math curriculum, which is challenging for students for whom English is a second language, and for many math students for whom reading is a struggle. It's a lot of reading. How much did you like word problems? And what you don't see are a lot of opportunities for students to practice what they learn. Students are required to describe and reflect on what they do, but they don't have ample opportunity to practice skills and become fluent math learners. Thumbing through the curriculum, it is hard to find a page with many numbers or symbols, just words and pictures. So what do they do? Projects like this one. Ordering from a catalog. It says, buying things from catalogs is something that families do frequently. This project gives you a chance to dream about things that you would love to order from a favorite catalog. Here's step 1. Find 3 different items you would like to order from a catalog. In your report, include a picture or sketch of the items. Tape or glue the picture of the item and its description, or draw a picture of the item and write out its description. And then you go on to place your order and whatnot. I guess this is a life skill, learning to order from a catalog, but do we really want to take precious 6th grade math class time to learn it? In Investigation 4, Dividing with Fractions, students spend about 6 pages investigating and discovering things about fractions until section 4.4, Writing a Division Algorithm, when 6th graders are proudly told, you are ready now to develop an algorithm for dividing fractions. That's amazing. Then there are the completely random little did you know paragraphs, like this one. In Africa, a child's name is often very meaningful. Names such as Sekalaga, which means rejoice, and Tusajigwe, which means we are blessed, reflect the happiness the family felt at the child's birth. Names such as Mvula, meaning rain, reflect events that happened at the time the child was born. And there isn't even an attempt to connect this with math. I could go on, but I think you've seen enough. The CMP2, the Connected Math Project, 2nd edition, needs to go. Thanks for watching.